Hi guys, welcome back to our video today. In this video, I will be showing you how to delete apps on your Amazon Firestick. So if you like to learn how to download apps on Amazon Firestick, I've made another dedicated video to that effect. But if you like to know how to delete apps, all you just need to do is to come straight here. So the settings, that is the last blue icon with the J icon on it. Come to applications. You come straight to App Store, I believe, or let's go back. Applications, manage installed applications. And then you scroll through all the apps and see the ones you would like to have uninstalled. So let's say I'd like to uninstall Bluetooth TV. All I need to do is to select Bluetooth TV. I have different options. I could either force stop the app, I could either uninstall the app, offload the clear data clickage. But in this case, we want to uninstall the app and have it deleted. So we select confirm, and it is uninstalling application. And as soon as you're done with that, the app is uninstalled and it's no longer on your Fire TV. Let's say I want to uninstall TikTok TV. I pretty much do the same thing, confirm, and it is gone. So in case you notice that your Fire TV stick storage is getting filled up and you'd like to offload some apps, it is very easy to have different apps that you do not find useful uninstalled and deleted from the app. So thank you so much. If you found value from this video, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.